Hi everyone. I have Happy Mail and I'd like to share it with you. This Happy Mail comes from over the pond from a very dear yarny friend by the name of Khadijah. So if you would like to see what I received, then please stay tuned. Hold on for a moment. Hi everyone. Welcome to Mindful Crafts and More. I'm Katrina. If this is your first time checking out my channel, welcome. Take a look at this video or any of my other videos, and if you find yourself inspired, join my channel. For those of you who are returning, welcome back. I really appreciate you just hanging out with me for a bit. So, hi everyone. I have a membership in just a few channels, and sometimes I get gifts in the form of Happy Mail. And this is one of those times. I have some others that are on the way. So once they get here, I'm going to share them with you. So I'm looking forward to it, and I hope that you are too. But today I have Happy Mail from none other than Khadijah over at Ladybird Loves. So I have this, and this is her beautiful logo. And so I want to share with you what I received. All right. So let me grab some scissors so that I can open this up and see what's inside. Oh, okay. It is a shirt. Okay. This is awesome. All right. Aw, this is so beautiful. This is awesome. Look at that. Okay. And I think it's a llama. That's beautiful. I love it. Okay. It's in a pocket. All right. So I love the color. It's a nice bright blue and I love the concept. So thank you so much. All right. Now I think there might be a little something else in here. So let's see. Yes. This is the 24-month member pack. So I have been a member of her channel for 2 years plus, and that is awesome. And she says, please let me know that you've gotten it so I will let you know I have it and I love it. So thank you, thank you, thank you. All right. So it is always nice. So I am back. It is always nice to get, surprises or things like that, or just to get happy mail, even if it's something maybe you purchase for yourself, and to be able to support a fellow crafter and whatnot when you can is a nice thing. Now, there are simple ways to support. You don't necessarily have to always do it in a financial state. You can just watch videos and support in that way. Leave a kind comment, leave a thumbs up. Those are ways that you can support as well, and those don't cost you anything. All right. So don't forget that. So if you haven't subscribed, please go over and check out Ladybird Loves, subscribe to her channel, give her a thumbs up, let her know I sent you over. All right. She does a lot of crafting tutorials. She tries out different yarns and fibers. She shares those a lot with her subscribers and whatnot. So she likes playing different games and whatnot and spin the wheel. So there's just lots of things and variety of things that you can do over there. And she does more than just crochet. So please go and check her out. All right. So now next, I would like to go ahead and get the next yarn that's in the advent calendar that I purchased so I can share the new color with you. Okay. So let me grab it. Hold on for a moment. All right, so I have it with me. This time I did go ahead and put the um, ribbon on it, and that way, we can kind of see it the way it is. Okay, because so that's the way it's supposed to be, I'm assuming. So let's see if we can find number 4. Okay, I found it. It is right here. Okay, and let's open, see the color. Okay, so today's color is a brown. Okay, it is a pretty brown color. And yeah, let's go ahead and weigh it, okay? Okay, it is 10 grams. All right. So far, all of them are about 10 grams, and I do appreciate that. At least I'm getting 10 grams per skein, and it's not varying by much. So hold on for a minute. Let me go ahead and wind this back up into a cake. Okay, I'll be right back. I am back. So I have the yarn wound up. It seems to be the same quality of yarn as the previous ones. So they're probably the same brand of yarn, I would say, just in different colors. And the colors are very good. So they're very solid colors. It's not really a specialty yarn. It seems to be just a plain acrylic type of yarn. But I think it is something that I can use and something that I'll be able to make a nice project with the small amounts. Okay. So I'm pleased with that. At least it's consistent. Again, the concept is nice, and I think it is okay to have a budget advent calendar. That's okay. I just wish that it had not given me the expectation that I thought it had in the beginning. All right. So we're going to continue to go ahead and we're going to show you each of them. Let's go ahead and put this in the pickle jar. Here we have it. There we go. Three colors. All right. Okay, so we'll keep adding to our pickle jar and keep seeing what beautiful colors are coming up with the project um, that we can come up with. And you guys are still sending me ideas, right? So send me ideas. Let me know what you think I should do with these yarn colors and what kind of project I can make with them. I will probably find a similar weight yarn to combine with it if I need to. But I think we'll be able to find a nice project for it. Okay. All right. So that's all I have for this portion. Have you guys received some happy mail? And if so, what was it? Was it something you could wear? Was it something you could use? Was it something for decoration? What was it? I'd like to hear from you. All right. So if you haven't already checked out Khadijah's um, channel yet, please go ahead and do so. Let her know that I sent you over and subscribe. If you haven't already subscribed, what are you waiting for? Go ahead and subscribe to her channel. You won't be disappointed. All right. So let's go ahead now and take a look at the puzzle solution for the last video that included a puzzle. And this is what I came up with. And this is a puzzle for today. So thank you so much for watching my videos, for giving me a thumbs up, for your very kind comments. I really do appreciate it. It really means a lot. And I know there are a lot of things that you could be doing with your time. So I do appreciate if you just come and hang out with me just for a bit. All right. So now let's look forward to seeing you in the next video. So until then, please do everything you can to be mindful, do everything you can to be at your best health, and by all means, continue to be crafty every day. Share your gifts, be inspiring, and be inspired. I look forward to seeing you again in one of my videos or one of yours. Bye-bye now.